Fireworks of silence. It went dark out there, lights turned on, an urban shininess illuminating nature's sleep. Heartbeats warm inside, the center stirs, a corporeal glow radiating life's closeness. The eyes close, darkness. A calming silence explodes, an expansion of light clearing the messy noise. Whoosh! Fireworks of sparkling silence. It was dark in there, and then the light suddenly burst into silence, shooting stars of pure stillness. Open the heart, calm the mind, sing the moment. Sleepy now, the silence swirls and glitters. It leads me into the dream world. Excited and